Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered actors Varun Dhawan, Nargis Fakhri and Ileana D'Cruz for an exclusive chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
कुछ दिन पहले एक सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे मैंने वरुण के एक फ़ैन से पढ़ा था कि सर्दी में गर्मी होने जा रही है और उसका कारण है, अगर थोड़ा साइड हो जाए तो नहीं, पोस्टर जो फर्स्ट पोस्टर निकला था, हाँ, तो सर्दी में गर्मी होने वाली है लड़कियों की वजह से। वरुण धवन के फैन थे मगर लड़कियों,
आई थिंक सिर्फ लड़कियों की वजह से। आप देख सकते हैं, आप वापस आ सकते हैं। आई थिंक बिकॉज़ नरगिस फकरी इज देयर एंड इलियाना डिक्रूज इज देयर एंड हाउ हॉट दे आर वी ऑल नो, सो एवरीवन फील्स द हीट, सो हैव टू वेयर अ जैकेट।
अच्छा, मगर आपके एब्स का कोई काम नहीं है ना इस स्टेटमेंट में?
इसमें कोई मेरे एब्स का कोई काम
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अच्छा, मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगी ना एक्चुअली। हमें किसी ने तो बताया कि यू लाइक फ्लॉन्टिंग योर एब्स।
किसने? इन्होंने ही बताया ना।
मैंने कुछ नहीं।
I do, but I've been told by a lot of people that you can't do it on national TV.
No, we don't mind actually. I mean, बहुत fans होंगे, Zoom की गर्मी पड़ जाएगी actually.
No. The thing is, I've done it.
You have to see the film.
Yeah,
abs. You have to watch the film to see his abs. So good, very good.
And lots more. We've acted also in it. It's not only about that.
अच्छा, तो ट्रेलर ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो गया है। ऑफ कोर्स थिएटर में जिस तरह का रिस्पांस मिला, एवरीबडी लव्ड इट। सो
What did you think?
I really loved it. I think it's going to be a fantastic out and out comedy and love triangle जिसमें आप फंसे हुए हैं बीच में। तो how is the whole response? Twitter पे and YouTube पे already upload हो चुका है, तो कुछ feedback आने लगा है, SMS or anything?
He's got some international response.
International response.
Like?
I don't know what
From
he's talking
actually.
about. But no, I mean on Twitter, yeah, it's kind of gone crazy, and I mean I haven't checked as much because it's just happened, but it's really going nuts, and people really like it, and I'm nervous as hell. It feels like my first film, weirdly. It's odd. It's a strange feeling.
Yeah, but actually, last interview में मैंने आपको senior कहा था.
Huh, I know. And then he says I'm old mom as well.
Oh.
No.
अलग दोस्ताना going on.
No, I have to say, I feel so much love for both these girls because they've been so supportive and sweet to me during this film. And you know, when you're giving your shot, when you're doing, I think somewhere down the line they realize, you know, it's my second film and there's certain stuff for me to do. And always I think they would like just calm me down and tell me that don't worry, Varun, everything will go fine. It was really sweet.
I never calmed.
She never calmed me down. But I would do like slow claps.
Like, whatever.
I would do a slow clap.
Yeah, for me.
Every time Nargis would give a shot, and if it was okay, so I would just go to Nargis and do that.
And then the okay side.
It's just it's a lingo. We share
a special
relationship. Yeah, we have a bro code.
A bro, yeah.
We have a bro code. Yeah.
Okay, Nargis, on a serious note.
So I'm a bro.
Okay, on a serious note, third film, it's a complete change from what you've done till now. So difficult, and Hindi थोड़ी और comic timing Hindi सब match करना कितना मुश्किल?
Can you imagine? Yeah,
exactly.
It was very difficult. Comedy, I think, is way more difficult than, you know, something serious or dramatic. I mean, I could be mistaken. Of course, for sure, always. For me, first of all, the language is a barrier.
Yeah.
So even though I'm learning and I've learned so much and I've come a long way, there will be bumps and obstacles, which I'm so glad that these two have been amazing and they've always been very helpful. Also, another thing was that there were so many people. Like there'd be 10 of us on set shooting and we all have to interact.
Yeah.
And I was confused because I'd zone out and I'm like, okay, well, what do I do? And Anupam was like, do something. I was like, yeah, do something. And sometimes I wasn't getting one scene. I remember I can't say. But there was a scene I didn't get so well. So thank God Anupam had given me
Correct.
Okay, I'm curious about the scene now.
There was one.
I'll see it.
He gave me an analogy. I won't say what it was, but it was very funny because all of a sudden I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. So sometimes it didn't connect. But it was great.
Yeah.
Everyone was helpful.
Basic, one thing which I want to say is that the film's title may be Main Tera Hero, But Seenu is more of a character in this film because it's such a big ensemble. There's Anupam sir, there's Saurabh sir, there's Arunodaya, there's Rajpal, there's Manoj Pava, Supriya Patak, there's Ileana, there's Nargis, there's me. So it's huge. This star cast is actually a big star cast with a lot of talented actors, a bunch of new actors, a bunch of award-winning actors. So yeah, me and Nargis are very envious of Ileana. Yeah.
He's embarrassing, man.
Embarrassing? Oh, what's embarrassing? Not at all.
No, it just kind of puts you on the spot there. I mean, for me, every film is like a, kind of like a first film, you know. I mean, you can't honestly use your previous experience and use it in a new film because every character is different. So.
Absolutely. But it was an inspiration, the Barfi moment.
It was, no, definitely. I think working with Ileana was an inspiration for sure because I've seen Barfi and I've seen 1-2 of her South films as well. So I know the stuff she's done. I know how good she is at it. So I had to come like fully prepared, and I wanted to be on my top of my game. She shouldn't be कौन है hero. हटाओ इसको. So I mean, but
वैसे ही मैं फिल्म में चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं भाई मैं हूँ हीरो.
तो मैं याद दिलाया मैंने उसे. But lot of scenes she's been really helpful, and a lot of the improvisations you see of mine. Almost from both of them telling me something that why don't you try this or try this, and that's how it's come.
No, I don't think he's giving himself credit.
Yeah, and I think we all connected and vibed very well.
Yeah,
that
we
natural.
did.
It was some things that it just came natural to us, and we added it.
Exactly. No, it is a full team effort. I have to say, this is a full team effort. It's not a one-man show at all.
Okay, और लास्ट में सलमान खान इस पोस्टर को देखने से बाद तो थोड़ा envious होने वाले हैं कि कोई मेरी जगह लेने वाला है shirtless.
बिल्कुल नहीं, उनकी जगह कोई नहीं लेके जा सकता.
I think the only thing that go on.
I'm saying उनकी जगह sorry कोई नहीं ले सकता और उनका एक सिर्फ होगा मैं जय हूँ.
Moving on, Farhan Akhtar recently rocked the stage with his splendid performance. Take a look in our next story.
There's so much energy here already in this college festival. The reason obviously being Farhan Akhtar. No, the concert hasn't started yet, but we can still feel this energy. And there he's on stage practicing, so let's check it out. For you giving the most electrifying performance here. The crowd went mad and you saw what the energy here is. Well, that's how a rock star lives it. Yudrani Chatraj with camera person Hari and Paresh.
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Adhyayan and Ariana's candid chat on Zoom. Stay tuned.